tkinter Geometry Manager is a layout manager that arranges the widgets on the screen, register them with the underlying windowing system, and display them on the screen. The widgets provide information about their alignment and positions to the manager, and in return the manager displays them and defines their position on the screen. There are three geometry managers: pack, get, and place. Pack. You use the method pack to display your widgets. You don't specify precise location, but you can use different parameters to define relative positioning. These parameters are fill, side, and expand. You use the method get to display your widgets. You also don't specify precise location, but you have more control on positioning your widgets. And this is done by considering the window or the frame containing the widgets as a grid, and you specify the positions by the number of the row and the column in which your widgets will be displayed. Those are not the only options. The other ones are column span, row span, pad X and pad Y, iPad X and iPad Y, and sticky. You call the place method to display your widgets. This is the manager that lets you specify precisely the position of your widgets. To do so, you can use the X and Y options to specify the number of pixel spaces from the top or the left of your window or frame. Of course, you have more options to use: high, width, anchor, border mode, rel X and rel Y for relative X and relative Y, rel high and rel width. There is this rule: you cannot combine different layout managers on the same window or the same frame. So, if you create a window or a frame and you add directly a widget to that frame using one of the layout managers, you have to stick with this manager if you want to add directly more widgets to that specific window or frame. But if your widget is a frame and you want to add more widgets rooted on this frame, you don't have to use the parent geometry manager. So each added frame can have its own different layout manager. So to be able to use different layout managers, just add your widgets to different frames rooted on the same window or on the same frame. The geometry manager to use depends on your design and also on your handling of different screen sizes inside your code. If your design is not regular, not following a particular pattern, you can use the place manager, but you have to know the exact size of your application windows. You choose the grid manager if your widgets can be displayed following a grid regular pattern. If your interface is simple, for example widgets placed one after another vertically or horizontally, the pack manager will be sufficient for you. I use all the managers in the same application. This way I have more freedom and can place the widgets the way I want. This is also the way to overcome the limits of each manager and at the same time cover all the aspects of my app's interface. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!